Welcome students in a series of simplification. Let's go in a real classroom. See, here a teacher is teaching simplification and here is a sum. 7 minus 2 multiply 3 plus 1. He asked two students to solve that. Two students raised their hands, one boy and a girl. Boy came first and solved that question. He wrote the question 7 minus 2 multiply 3 plus 1. And he did subtraction first. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So he wrote 5 multiply 3 plus 1. Then he did addition. So he wrote 5 multiply because 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So he wrote 5 multiply 4. And after that he did multiplication and he got the answer 20. Then girl came. Girl wrote the question 7 minus 2 multiply 3 plus 1, same question, but she did multiplication first. 7 minus 6 plus 1. Then she did addition. She added 1 in 7 and she got 8. So 8 minus 6, and at last step she did subtraction. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. She got the answer 2. Then teacher checked both the questions and teacher told that the boy was wrong and the girl was right because 2 is the answer. Here girl applied the concept of D mass. It is the concept of D mass to apply all the 4 operations together. Here D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. D mass says that at first when there are 4 operations exist in any question, we used to do division first. Then second stage we used to do multiplication, and in third step we used to do addition. At last we used to do subtraction. So it is the sequence which D mass rule gives us. So always focus on D mass when you solve any question which exists more than one operation. For example, here is a question 28 minus 3 multiply 5 plus 4. Here subtraction, multiplication and addition. 3 operations are here. At first, according to this rule, DMAS, D mass, division is not here. So sequence will be multiplication, addition, subtraction. At first we need to do multiplication and here we need to multiply 3 and 5 and we will get 28 minus 15 plus 4. Then here subtraction and addition. Either we need to subtract 15 from 28 or either we need to add 4 in 28. So here according to this rule we need to do addition first. It means we will add 4 in 28. It means after addition we get 32 minus 15. Now there is only one operation which is subtraction. So we will do subtraction and answer will be 17. So always focus on D mass. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here is a question. Question is this: 15 minus 3 multiply 4 divide 2 minus 2. Here are subtraction, multiplication and division. 3 operations are given. According to this rule, because here is division, at first we need to do divide. 4 divided by 2. So we get this. After division, 15 minus 3, 4 divided by 2 equals to 2 minus 2. After that, here subtraction, multiplication and subtraction, and according to this rule, which comes first? Multiplication. So we will do multiplication. 3 2s are 6. It means we get 15 minus 6 minus 2. Now here is only one operation, which is subtraction. So at first we can subtract 6 from 15. So we will get 9 minus 2. Then we will do this last subtraction and we will get 7. So next question is this. Here are two operations, subtraction and division. So which come first? Yes, division. So at first we will divide in 0 by 5. 0 divided by 5. Whenever we divide 0 by any whole number, we get 0. It means after division we get 0. So here 8 minus 0. Now we will subtract and answer will be 8. Next question is this. 8 multiply 8 minus 6 multiply 6. Here are two operations, multiplication and subtraction. So according to this rule, multiplication and subtraction, which comes first? Multiplication. But here are two multiplications. So we will do both the multiplications. 8 8s are 64, 6 6s are 36 with the sign of subtraction. So we will get 64 minus 36. Now we will do subtraction and we will get 28. Very simple. So just focus on DMAS and its sequenced. We will do another question, that is 7 multiply 4 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 8. Here are multiplication, subtraction and division, three operations. And at first we need to do division. So at first we will do division. 12 divided by 6 and we will get this. 7 multiply 4 minus, after division we will get 2. So we will write 2 here minus 8. Now here multiplication and subtraction. Two operations are there. So we will do multiplication first. 7 4s are 28. So we will get 28 minus 2 minus 8. Now we will do subtraction. So in subtraction, let us subtract 2 from 28 and we will get 26 minus 8. Now subtract it and we will get 18. Next question is this. 25 divided by 5 minus 16 divided by 8. Here are only two operations, division and subtraction, and always do division first according to this rule of DMAS. So here we will do 25 divided by 5 and 16 divided by 8 first. So after division we will get this. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5 minus 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. 5 minus 2. So here is a subtraction only. It is 3. Next question is this. 8 minus 30 divided by 6 plus 7. So here again division is there. So we will do divide first. 30 divided by 6. It means after division we will get 8 as it is minus as it is 30 divided by 6 equals to 5 plus 7. Now here are two operations, subtraction and addition. Either we need to add 7 in 8 or either we need to subtract 5 from 8. So what we will do first? According to this rule, we will do addition first. So we will add 7 in 8 and what we get? Yes, we get 15 minus 5. Now here is only subtraction. At last we used to do subtraction and our answer will be 10. So, my dear students, simplification is very easy. But what you need to do? Yes, practice, practice and practice.